Hi everyone, this is Deborah Sanders from Coldwell Banker, and I thought I would bring you a tip about handymen. So in the state of California, a handyman can perform any job up to $500. If it exceeds $500, it is actually supposed to be referred to a contractor, a plumber, an electrician, whoever in the trade is responsible for doing that type of work. A handyman is not licensed, and there are no licenses to be had in California. So again, they are here to perform kind of minor jobs that don't require certainly permitting and complex processes. So keep that in mind if you're looking to hire someone. I always recommend get your realtor to give you a referral or talk to friends and family about people they've used, just so you're using someone you know how they have performed. If you want more information about the area, I have a website, deborahsandersrealtor.com. I also do a blog about laws and stuff going on in the area, the market, and I do a newsletter every week if you'd like to sign up for that. I hope this was helpful, and I will bring you more tips.